Mini enthusiasts, how you doing? So yeah, little update for you today. As you might see, we're out on a bit of a road trip. Let's see if you can work out who it is. So straight away you might guess I'm driving on the wrong side, or steering wheel's on the wrong side, driving on the wrong side of the road. So we are abroad somewhere, we're certainly not in the UK. All I can tell you is another YouTuber into classic cars, into Mini, so quite interesting, looking forward to seeing him. Maybe a couple of little more clues. He's asked me to bring Bassett's Licorice All Sorts and Maynard's Wine Gums, so they're pretty British sweets they are. I don't think you can get them anywhere else. So yeah, I'll carry on doing the driving and catch up with you in a bit, and we'll see who it is.
Hey Mini enthusiasts, how you doing?
Did you guess who it was? I'm sure you did, or most of you did anyway. So just before we go into the little video, which is really just me having a bit of time with Dave, going out for a drive in his car, I just wanted to say thanks to Dave. Thank you very much for his hospitality. I went over there, it was a sort of last minute decision. I was over there on some work for business, had a few hours spare, so decided I'd go along and see Dave. And yeah, amazing hospitality. You know, Dave gave me a drink, his wife invited me to stay for dinner, so I stayed for dinner in the evening as well. And most of all, Dave took me out for a ride in his Jaguar E-Type and let me drive it as well. So not many people will let you do that. I mean, that's got to be 150 to 200,000 pound car. It's a Type Series 1 Jaguar E-Type flat floor with a 4.2 litre engine. It's absolutely awesome to drive. Kind of a bucket list car for me. Beautiful to drive. Amazing amount of torque. Really, really comfy. And it's just one of those sort of cars that windy country lanes, sun or winter sun, you know, on your back. Absolutely amazing. So once again, thanks Dave, really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And I do apologise, there hasn't been many updates lately. I've been extremely busy with work, extremely busy with the house. Yeah, getting back on it, making some more time to do some more videos. Hopefully I'll have something on Vinny, so if you can see on the table here, I'll put that in another video. I've got a nice new exhaust manifold for Vinny, try and get a bit more power out of it. So that'll be in some episodes, hopefully starting next week. So thanks guys, thanks for watching, have a great evening, have a great week if you're back at work, and catch up with you next week. Cheers. Hey guys, so while I was here, I thought it would be rude not to give you a quick tour of Dave Jaguar's workshop. It looks flipping amazing actually, and I'm overwhelmed by how clean and tidy it is actually. So if you remember, or certainly me as a subscriber to Dave, watching all of his videos of the E-Type build, how dusty it got in here. But I can tell you, I'd quite happily eat my dinner off this at the moment. So there's some fantastic chaos here. Had the opportunity to drive the E-Type earlier, which was, well, just awesome. It's like I say, it's a bucket list car to drive really. Beautiful to drive. Dave's workbench here, so you see many of his videos stripping bits apart. Don't know what he's got going on here. What are these bits here? Brake calipers? I'm not sure actually, looks like it. Love this toolbox, very nice that. I might have to get one of them. And then down the bottom here is Dave's white Mini. The video doesn't do this justice. When you start looking at the panel gaps, the lead loading round on the scuttle to wing join, scuttle to front panel there, it really is awesome. Inside of the car as well, it's very, very nice. Seats, upholstery, paintwork. It's a really cracking job. You've probably got to see it in person really to give it justice, but yeah, there you go. That's Dave's workshop. There's an upstairs as well. He's got another couple of little units, a garage down the bottom of the garden. It's a fantastic place. Really glad I got the opportunity to come over here and have a look. So, cheers guys.
Okay, so we're out, and the mystery guest is right here in my E-Type.
What a car to drive.
This is a very bad curve. This, you have to really slow down. You might want to go in at second. It's very steep. So here he is. He's going around. This is that road, guys, that I took you up once a couple of years ago. But anyway, so I'll let you see his smile. He's grinning like a Cheshire cat here.
Not often you get to drive an inside, does it? If ever.
So he's come all the way to Austria just to... No, he hasn't. He's come for business. But anyway, he's made his business to come over today. So we met up in a car park in a service station just not far from the house.